The United States Space Agency says dozens of rock fragments were sent into space when it conducted a successful effort in 2022 to knock an asteroid off its path by making a satellite collide with it. In a press release on Thursday, NASA said images captured by the Hubble Space Telescope show a swarm of boulders released after the collision, which was meant to test a method of planetary defense. We see a cloud of boulders carrying mass and energy away from the impact target. The numbers, sizes, and shapes of the boulders are consistent with them having been knocked off the surface of Dimorphos, the asteroid, by the impact. David Jewitt of the University of California at Los Angeles, a planetary scientist who uses Hubble to track changes in the asteroid, said in the press release. This tells us for the first time what happens when you hit an asteroid and see material coming out up to the largest sizes. The boulders are some of the faintest things ever imaged inside our solar system.